Have you ever wondered why our winters seem to be shorter and our summers longer? Or why some parts of the world are experiencing extreme weather conditions more frequently? This is not a mere coincidence. It is a result of a complex issue that we humans are largely responsible for: climate change. Climate change, or global warming, is a long-term alteration in Earth's climate and weather patterns. It's a phenomenon that's been occurring naturally for millions of years. But in the past century, the pace of this change has dramatically increased. And here's why. The primary cause of climate change is the burning of fossil fuels, such as oil and coal, which emits greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide. Other human activities like deforestation also contribute to climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, so when they're cut down, not only do they stop absorbing carbon dioxide, but if they're burnt, they release all the carbon dioxide they've stored back into the atmosphere. This increase in greenhouse gases causes the Earth's atmosphere to trap more heat, leading to what is known as the greenhouse effect. This is what causes our planet to warm up. The effects of climate change are numerous and potentially devastating. We're not just talking about warmer summers and shorter winters. We're talking about the increase in the intensity and frequency of extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and floods. We're talking about the melting of polar ice, which leads to rising sea levels and the loss of habitat for species like polar bears and penguins. Climate change also affects ecosystems and biodiversity. Animals and plants that can't cope with the changing conditions will die out, leading to a loss of biodiversity. This is not just an environmental issue, it's also a social issue affecting human health, food security, and even our economy. Now, here comes the crucial part. What can we do about it? Despite the gravity of the situation, we should not lose hope. Each one of us can make a difference. Start by reducing your carbon footprint. Consider using public transportation, biking, or walking instead of driving. Try to consume less energy by turning off lights and unplugging electronics when not in use. Moreover, rethink your diet. Livestock farming produces a significant amount of greenhouse gases, so reducing your consumption of meat and dairy can have a big impact. And finally, advocate for climate change. Talk about it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Use your vote to support politicians who take climate change seriously. Remember, climate change is not a problem for the future. It's happening right now, and it's up to us to do something about it. Every little action counts. So, take a step today for a better, healthier planet tomorrow.